How to set up any controller on Steam for any game. So for this, you'll be needing your Steam client. So what is Steam client? It is actually a store for your Steam where you can get all of the games and all of the settings that you can make in your Steam account. So once you have opened your Steam client, you will land here in this home page and you have to go ahead and tap on the very top, that is your Steam option, to go ahead and access to your settings. In this list, you will see the option of controller. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it, and in your right hand side at the top you will see general controller settings. You have to go ahead and tap on it. In this box you will see some of the settings given to you. If you are using PlayStation, go ahead and tap on it to check the box. If you are using Xbox, simply go ahead and check the Xbox. And make sure that you are in a big picture mode, because you won't be able to access to this setting if you are not in the big picture setting mode. So once you have done with this, you can head back from here. Now let's suppose that you want to do a certain setting for a certain game. So in this list of games, you simply have to go ahead and right click on the game that you want to change the setting of the controller configuration. So for that, you simply have to go ahead and right click on the game. Then you have to go ahead and select the option of properties displayed at the very end of the list. Once you have selected the properties, you will see there is a default setting which you can modify according to your preference. So we hope that you found this video helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching.